99 minutes a day keeps the low self-esteem away. 99 minutes a day keeps unproductivity away. Boom, there we go. I have a question for you. So what if your dream life costs you 99 cents a day? Would you pay it? Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Private J. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new here on my channel, we talk about mindset mastery, transformation, and getting more fulfillment out of this life. So if you're interested and it resonates, please be sure to subscribe. Girl, what you doing? Subscribe. I would truly appreciate it. And if this isn't your first time, thank you so much for coming back. So story time real quick. I check my screen time. I check my screen time on my phone. Okay. I wasn't shocked per se. I know what I've been doing on my phone. But it was a clarifying moment because a girl, why you got all the screen time going elsewhere? Now I have it set up where my phone sends me a weekly screen time recap, whatever. I never click that thing. I never look into it. I never look into it. I never give it the time of day. But it could serve a really important purpose. And I want you to check yours too. You know what you've been doing on your phone. But yeah, so I checked my screen time and it was a clarifying moment because I know there's something that I'm working on and I was kind of basically complaining saying I didn't have the time, but I do have the time. The thing is with most people, it's not that we don't have time. It's not that you don't have time. It's that your time is fragmented into so many pieces throughout the day that there isn't just one building block that actually moves the needle closer to your dream life. It doesn't help you in building a rich life on purpose. And so you're feeling like, yes, I was busy throughout the day. I got things done, but what you really were doing was switching between 2 or 3 apps and being entertained, investing your time and giving your time into cheap dopamine and just going back and forth, playing the game over here, checking a message over here, responding to this comment, trying to see how many likes on your last post you posted 7 days ago. And just not being productive and not being the person that identifies as a producer and not a consumer. And so these apps were created for you to consume them for long periods of time. I remember, I don't know how old y'all are, but when Instagram first came out, like the story, the scroll ended when there were no more posts to show you. It was the end and you were all caught up and you were able to log out and go about your day. It's not like that anymore. As a matter of fact, you don't even see the people. A lot of times you don't even see who you're subscribed to. They're showing you, because it's no longer social media, it's now interest media. So they want to show you as much as they can of the things that you're interested in. And so anyways, you're addicted to your phone, you're addicted to social media, and it's taking up a lot of your time. Or if say you aren't and you're like, where can I find more time? I want you to see if you can go to sleep earlier so that you can wake up earlier. I think the time may be hiding there as well. So if you do those 2 things, I think that this concept that I came up with, that I've been using for myself, called the girl, you got 99 minutes to give to your dream life, then give it because you deserve it. It's not really called that, but you know, I gotta be dramatic. Before I go to introducing the 99-minute concept, I created the Start Before You're Ready 7-day challenge specifically for my procrastinators, my overthinkers, my overthinkers, my fearful, my fear-led, and for those of you who are unsure about where you want to start or what you should be doing because of the confusion and the overwhelm of all the information out there. This workbook that I created specifically for you is free. The link is in the description. The perfect guide to get you to where you need to be so that you can truly transform your life, master your mind, and get more fulfillment out of this life. So what you're going to do is choose one thing in one area of your life for 7 days for yourself. You're going to focus on that. I know you have 7 days. I know for a fact you can focus for 7 days on just moving the needle in one area of your life. I want you to show yourself that you have 7 days to give to yourself. And I want you to use the concept I'm about to teach you, or I'm about to share with you, which is what I've been using, which is 99 minutes a day. You have that. I know you can. All right. So, but no, I created this because I was thinking like, okay, I'm not trying to fix my whole life, but there is something that I want to do on a day-to-day basis and have it be consistent. It's more than one thing, but I needed them all to be in this deep focus time block. So I created this because I was like, okay, what if instead of trying to fix my whole life, I created this time block. And not for it to be aesthetic, not for it to be perfect, but just to focus on a day-to-day basis. What if I created that? So those 99 minutes that I was looking for was hiding in me not going to sleep early enough so that I can wake up early enough. And That was like 10% of the time, and then the other 90% was hiding in the amount of time that I was giving to being a consumer on mostly on social media. And after doing it for a while now, I realized this isn't about time. It's just about becoming the person, becoming the woman who keeps a promise to herself on a day-to-day basis. This is part of your identity upgrading. This is a part of you leveling up. This is you becoming who you have pinned on your Pinterest board. This is you unbecoming who you despise. This is you being the best version of yourself. So that's what I'm working on right now. Not doing everything all the time, but there is something I want to do that I want to put in the specific time that belongs to just that task, those goals. Simply just showing up for those 99 minutes consistently. In order to do that, I'm creating a timer before this video goes out. But no, I created a timer so that I can like kind of focus on what it is I need to focus on without thinking about the 99 minutes. So the 99 minutes is a concept because I don't know, I just like the sound of it. 99 minutes a day keeps the low self-esteem away. 99 minutes a day keeps unproductivity away. Boom, there we go. So yes, so if you're struggling about you're not struggling. First off, you're trying to figure out where this time that everyone says you should create a focus block is. It's hiding on your screen time. It's hiding in you keeping busy on a day-to-day basis, doing things that don't actually contribute to your upgrade. You know exactly where your time is. You yapping on the phone about gossip, work gossip. You yapping. You got time. You have time. You stop looking for the time. It's about the identity. It's about being the woman who does what she says she's going to do. It's about getting it done. Okay? And I know you can. And I know you know where that time is hiding. Give it to yourself. You deserve to build a rich life on purpose, the one that you want to build. Not the one they told you to build. You deserve to build that rich life on purpose for yourself. I'm talking about mentally, physically, spiritually, and financially. If your dream life costs you 99 minutes a day, is it something that you're willing to pay? You don't need more time. You just need to decide where what the time you already have goes. And I know you already knows where it's at. All right. So let me know, like, y'all comment. Oh my gosh, it's so odd. I'm like, obviously I'm talking to a camera right now, but like, feel free to share in the comments below. I love when you all comment. I'm rushing to respond. I'm rushing to like, heart, do all of the things. I truly appreciate it. But yeah, so I'm about to go create this 99-minute timer. I'm about to create a 99-minute timer for you to use, for us to use on a day-to-day basis. I want to make it pretty, so let me get to work. All right, I hope you have a wonderful day. My name is Spivey J, and I hope you have a beautiful day. All right, peace. I don't like when I'm holding it and I can't do it.